Hello everybody, Nicholas Duffer here, Duffer Foundation Repair, out here in beautiful East Tawakoni, Texas. I wanted to show you something that was pretty interesting on this house. You can see it's the house we just got done with. So what's happening is you can see the right side of the house, all the dirt from this yard is washed up to the right side of the house. The yard's still tremendously to the left. So all the dirt over time washed up to the right side of the house. Brought that beam over there, we replaced that beam, but the main thing that happened here is all the dirt over time has washed all the piers out from underneath this house and made the rest of the house settle 5 inches over time. So what you could have done to prevent that was you could have built a retainer wall here that would have kept that dirt within the crawl space and kept the piers from washing out, or you could have done some drilled piers from the get-go. So the main thing is you want to probably have your crawl space checked, you know, maybe every 5 years, have the elevation checked, make sure that it's not settling, make sure that the piers aren't eroding away, because you know, over time it will cause some pretty bad structural damage with your roof rafters, joists, and things like that. So that's my advice for the day. Leave me a comment, shoot me an inbox if you have any questions. Thank you, have a good day. Bye.